Hey there, folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Yes, you heard it right, Toyota has rolled out the latest iteration of their iconic off-road beast, and we've got our hands on it for an exclusive review. But before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and automotive content. We thought the Land Cruiser was gone forever, mainly because Toyota told us so, but surprise, they were just kidding. The off-road champ is back. While the previous generation LC was a large-size SUV, this time around it's been shrunk down to size medium to do battle against other mainstream off-roaders such as the Ford Bronco and the Jeep Wrangler. That strategy also leaves the full-size SUV market open for the Toyota Sequoia. Inside, the Land Cruiser offers seating for 5 across 2 rows and offers the requisite infotainment technology to keep modern buyers happy. Toyota even equips it with advanced driver assistance features, since, for most Land Cruiser owners, this truck will serve as both a weekend toy and a weekday commuter when it's time to hit the trail. The Land Cruiser has the equipment to tackle the rough stuff, including a 4-wheel drive system with low-range gearing and a locking differential. Now let's talk about what's new for 2024. The boxy new Land Cruiser is backed for the 2024 model year, and it rides on an entirely modernized platform. That means hybrid power and a smaller shape, better for challenging off-road rivals from Ford and Jeep. Engine, transmission, and performance. Given that this is an entirely modernized generation of the Land Cruiser, Toyota has elected to install a turbocharged hybrid powertrain in place of a naturally aspirated V8 engine. A turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder is assisted by 2 electric motors to make 326 horsepower. If this setup sounds familiar, that's because it's similar powertrain the Toyota Tacoma's. All Land Cruisers come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system that features a locking center differential, low-range gearing, a crawl control system, and hill descent control. When we get a chance to test drive the Land Cruiser, we'll update this story with driving impressions and results from our instrumented testing, fuel economy, and real-world MPG. While we don't have full EPA ratings yet, Toyota claims that the Land Cruiser will have a combined rating of 23 mpg. That's a far better number than what the previous generation V8 model offered. When we get a chance, we'll take the Land Cruiser on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route and update this story with its real-world test results. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Unlike the previous generation Land Cruiser, the new one is strictly a two-row, 5-seat SUV. Toyota has downsized the Cruiser's body this time around, putting it into contention with mid-sized rivals such as the Ford Bronco and the Jeep Wrangler, rather than full-size SUVs such as the Chevrolet Tahoe and the Ford Expedition. While the base 1958 trim does without many of the other trim's luxuries, it still offers niceties such as heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and a 6-speaker stereo. The mid-range trim and the limited production first edition have more deluxe cabins that include ventilated seats, 10-speaker stereos, and available leather upholstery. Infotainment and connectivity. All Land Cruisers come with Toyota's excellent infotainment system, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But the base 1958 trim comes with a rather dinky 8.0-inch display. All other trims get a much larger 12.3-inch touchscreen. USB-C charging ports and a wireless smartphone charging pad are standard fare, but you'll have to pay extra for onboard Wi-Fi or the available 14-speaker JBL stereo system. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser starts at $57,345 and goes up to $76,345 depending on the trim and options. To wrap it up, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser continues to uphold its reputation as the king of off-road vehicles. With its unmatched performance, durability, and comfort, it's no surprise why the Land Cruiser has remained a favorite among adventurers and enthusiasts alike. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and capable SUV, look no further than the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know what you think of the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.